There are so many adorable costumes for babies that it is nearly impossible to choose just one. Whether you have a newborn or whether your little one is a toddler, there is a great dress-up and outfit for your child. Some parents like to create their costumes for babies as well, and this has endless options as well. Right now the newborn dress-up outfits are too cute. You can dress your little one up like a Tootsie Roll and make him the talk of the neighborhood. I saw this among a bunch of costumes for babies that I was browsing online. The Tootsie Roll costume is a real winner, but it is for children under 6 months old. I have a toddler, so this is one of the costumes for babies that I had to reluctantly pass up. The Tootsie Roll outfit is so cute that it makes me want to have another baby. There is something about the getup that makes me smile from ear to ear. My husband got a kick out of it too. Too bad I didn't find that one last year. We dressed our baby up like Humpty Dumpty. These are great costumes for babies because they are easy to put on and the egg head is made out of material filled with soft stuffing. No makeup or masks are required. The only complaint I have about the costume is that the baby's face would disappear when she moved her head. She didn't fuss in the outfit, though. She was warm and comfortable and pretty darn cute. It was just hard to get a picture of her face in this outfit. That was a borrowed item, too. Sometimes it is better to just go out and find a brand new item rather than borrowing them. Costumes for babies seem like good things to borrow, but they can get stained or damaged and you may not get what you want if you compromise. I have also thought about buying these items in a consignment shop. This might be a great way to find a deal on costumes for babies. However, the selection will be limited and the quality of the items could be a little less than perfect. Click the link in the description to get the best product in the market, proven to work.